Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 8th and subject Science. In that, chapter number 1, chapter name is Crop Production and Management. See the main 8. In the previous video, part 3, we have seen up to main 7. Today we'll see main 8. Explain giving scientific reasons. 2 marks each. Number 1. Modern agricultural implements should be used in agriculture. Answer is modern agricultural implements such as harrow, seed drill, harvester, thresher, combine and tractor are used in agriculture. With the use of such implements, more work can be done in short time. No manpower or animal power is used. Economic benefit can be achieved with the productions of more than one crop. Crop production can also be increased as there is no wastage of crop. So, farmers should use modern agricultural implements. Now see the number 2. Earthworms are called friends or farmers. Answer is earthworms inhabit in the soil of field. They make the soil upside down and the soil becomes soft. The excreted facial waste of earthworms are being added in the form of humus in the soil. The soil fertility increases due to it. So earthworms are called friends of the farmers. Now we will see the next page. Now see the number 3. The soil should be plowed. Answer is plowing of the soil breaks the clods occurring in the soil and the soil particles are separated. The clay of the soil turns up and down with the plowing. So air circulation in the soil increases and soil becomes soft. Seeds can easily germinate in the soft soil. Required air for respiration is available for sprouting of seeds as well as for microorganisms and earthworms occurring in the soil. Hence, the soil should be plowed. Now see the number 4. Rotation of crops should be done. Answer is the soil efficiency is maintained by rotation of crops. If crops of pulses and cereals are taken alternately. By growing crop of pulses, fixation of nitrogen occurs due to rhizobium bacteria inhabiting in its root and performing an important function to increase the fertility of the soil. Next point is rotation of crop also control the harmful pest of crop. Hence, rotation of crop should be done. Now see the 5th question. Use of fertilizers should be reduced. Answer is the soil texture spoiled due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Sometimes crop may destroy or crop production reduce due to excessive use of fertilizers. The soil pollution occur due to the effect of chemical fertilizers as well as the useful microorganisms occurring in the soil are destroyed. Hence, use of fertilizers should be reduced. Now see the main 9. Write 2 points of differences, 2 marks each. Number 1. Difference between manure and fertilizers. See, the manure is a natural substance and a fertilizer is an inorganic salt. Second point is manure can be prepared in the fields and fertilizers is prepared in factories. Examples of manures are cattle dung fertilizers, vermicompost, green manures, etc. And examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, potash and NPK. Now see the next page. Now see the second one, difference between drip system and sprinkler system. Point 1 in drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop, just as the position of the roots. And in the sprinkler system, in this system, water sprinkled on the crop as if it is a raining. Now see the number 2. Water is not wasted at all by this system, and here in sprinkler system, wastage of water is negligible in this system. Now see the main 10. Classify 4 mark each. Number 1. Classify the following into Rabi crop and Kharif crop. First of all, we will see the crops are given. Groundnut, wheat, mustard, maize. Classify the following into Rabi crop and Kharif crop. First of all, we will see the crops are given. Groundnut, wheat, mustard, maize, paddy, gram, soybean, pea. Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Groundnut is an Kharif crop. Wheat is an Rabi crop. Mustard is an Rabi crop. Maize is an Kharif crop. Paddy is an Kharif crop. Gram is an Rabi crop. Soybean is an Kharif crop. Pea is an Rabi crop. Now we will see the classify the following into manure and fertilizers. Now see the fertilizers are given. Compost manure, urea, dung manure, oilseed cake, ammonium sulfate, green manure, diammonium phosphate, DAP, short form, and NPK fertilizers. Now see the manure and fertilizers. Compost manure is the manure. Urea is in fertilizers. Dung manure is in manure. Oilseed cake is in manure. Ammonium sulfate is in fertilizers. Green manure is in manure. Diammonium phosphate DAP it's an fertilizers. NPK fertilizers is a fertilizers. Now see the main 11. Match the following properly. Write the alphabet index of column B in the answer box. 4 marks each. First of all, we will see the column A. Number 1 Kharif crop, number 2 Rabi crop, number 3 fertilizers, number 4 organic manure. And in a column B, A is a food for cattle. B. Paddy and maize. C. Animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. D. Wheat, gram and pea. And E. Urea and super phosphate. Now see the number 1 Kharif crop match with the B. Paddy and maize. Rabi crop match with the D. Wheat, gram and pea. Fertilizers match with the E. Urea and super phosphate. And organic manure match with the C. Animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. Now we will see the number 2. First of all, we will see the column A. Number 1 weeds, number 2 harvesting, number 3 irrigation and number 4 sowing. Column B, A sickle, B plow, C seed drill, C khurpi and E rahat. Now see the number 1 weeds match with the D khurpi. Number 2 harvesting match with the A sickle. Number 3 irrigation match with the E rahat. And number 4 sowing match with the C seed drill. Now we will see the main 12 in the next video, part 5. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.